Hello, this is possibly the main and principal manifold in your pump. This is the main manifold. This system over here will receive from your main pumping pump unit the pressure over here, and it will send you into this manifold that when you activate the forwarding valves will send the oil to one side, come back the other, and through the back you can see the hose going over there, go back to the tank, closing the full circuit. When this one is not active, the pressure will go here through the manifold back to the tank. When you engage your pump, you engage the solenoid number 1 first, then the solenoid number 2 first. This allows the oil to go from the pump into the manifold to the cylinder. This one, until you activate this one, which happens in pump both at the same time, but if this one is open when you're doing manually, this allows the oil to go back to tank. So sometimes in the case of an emergency, you push this and you will see the cylinder just barely creeping. When you engage the second solenoid, you will see it pumping. In the main manifold, what we have is the manifold, your input for the pressure, your return to tank, your four-way valve, which allow the oil to go to one cylinder or to the other. On top of the four-way valve, we have, identical to this one, another reversing valve. We have two reversing valves in the system. Also, coming from the system, going to the back, we are going to have a hose that we can close the valve and close the signal to switch over. You need to test the pressure. You can rev up the system, put it in pump, close this one, and when the cylinder get completely to the end, the signal is not going to go from the sensing valve to the four-way valve to this one, and it will show you maximum pressure. This valve should be open all the time. To check your maximum pressure, and this one, we look for 350 bar. That is our working pressure in our pump. Inside this one, you have a shuttle valve. When you have issues that the pump keeps creeping after you have stopped it, sometimes this shuttle valve has to be changed because it's worn out or there is contamination. That is solenoid number 1 side, passenger side. Driver's side, solenoid number 2. This side over here, you have your main relief, which is the adjustment you can do to increase up to no more 350 bar in your main manifold. So with this, we have talked about the small manifold that controls the volume control and the pilot pressure, the manifold that controls the shifting system, and this is the main manifold that controls the pumping cylinders. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. Please check our videos. Please make a contact with us. Call our numbers. Check the documents we have in our website so you can download it and learn more about your pump. The more you know, the better you can use it. Thank you.